Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you how I make this yellow bean curry in coconut milk. And to take this recipe a notch higher, we are going to prepare this dish in a traditional clay pot. If you don't have any clay pot in your house, don't worry, it's okay, it's fine. You can just use any cookware you have in your house, but trust me guys, these are one of those cookwares you really want to own. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that. But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Yellow bean curry is ready. You can always have this dish with rice, chapati, or any carbohydrate of your choice. If you really enjoy this video, please share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification down below so that every time I upload a video, you're able to get a notification. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video.